I know a lot of you want to give up on YouTube because you're not getting the views, you're not getting the watch hour, you're not getting the subscribers. So it's really frustrating and you want to give up. Please don't give up. Just keep going because in the long run, you are going to enjoy YouTube. Yes, I mean it. And I know many of you will be like, why are you happy? I'm happy. Don't worry, I'm going to be revealing something in the end of today's video. Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? If you have not liked this video, please click on the like button, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share the video. So I am glad to tell you that I cannot earn money from my videos. Yes, I know the last time I made a video that I got monetized. That monetization was just for gifting. Yes, just for super gifts, super thanks and all, super sticker and all. But on Saturday last week, I got monetized. Like, I am so happy. I am so happy that I can finally earn from my videos. Yes, even if with the low views I'm getting, I can still earn from it. And it's shocking because it was just on Saturday that I accepted it, and little earnings are already coming. I'm making this video on Monday. Yes, I'm making this video. What's today's date? Sorry, let me. Today's date is on the 17th. So I accepted the monetization program for my video to be monetized on the 15th. And today I'm going to be showing you what I have gotten so far from Saturday to today. I'm going to be going through my YouTube studio for you all to see that YouTube pays. If you're thinking, okay, yes, YouTube pay per 1k views, but they used to divide it. They'll show you, okay, one per 1k views, this is what they are paying. So if you don't have up to 1k, they are going to divide what they are paying. They are going to divide it and give you what you have, what views you have. They are going to give you the money for it. Let's just, before I start talking and talking and talking, let's just go. And don't forget, in my next video, I'm going to be talking on how I got my 4,000 watch hour. The first monetization I celebrated was just 3 million views I used. So I did not get 10 million views. At that time, I was not able having up to 200 watch hour. That was last month. And currently, I have like 8,000 watch hour. So I'm going to be sharing what I did, the secret on how I got monetized, how I got my 4,000 watch hour in my next video. So let's head to my YouTube studio. Okay, I'm going to my YouTube studio now. This is my YouTube studio. You can see my estimate revenue is 1.23 dollar that I've gotten from Saturday to today, Monday, from on the 15th to on the 17th. You can see it. So let's just go to. Sorry, my data is not on. So let's just go to the earning on his own. Okay, from the watch page aid, I want to use this one to show you, because okay, the revenue I've gotten so far is 0.41 dollar from a Saturday, till today. And some of them has not added. I think it's just one video that I've added. You can see it. Let's check the video revenue. This video I just post this right time to post. I posted it on Sunday. That was on the 16th 16th of February. So let's go. I don't think there's a revenue yet. They have not updated it because it's just a day, and I think it's after every 2 days. So this, it's no company has not paid, no aid has paid for it. Advertiser has not paid for this video. So let's go to the video that advertiser have paid for. Okay, this avoid the biggest mistake small YouTubers are making. So this video I posted it before I accepted monetization. So they are not paying for all the 205 views. They are paying from the views that added after I accepted monetization. So let's go. Let's check it out. So I got 205 views. My watch hour from this video is 4.4 watch hour, and the traffic external 100, direct on no 50, other YouTube features 22, YouTube recommendation 11, others 22. And this my intro, I think I need to work more on my intro. Okay, I need to work the reach. This video has appeared on 227 people's, like people that saw my thumbnail, and some of them click, some of them did not watch it. So this is the 227 impression, and I have 6.2 impression click rate. Should I say it's bad or not bad? The thing is, just if I click on it, it's going up and coming down, going up and coming down. So engagement. Let's go to engagement. 4.4 watch hour. Average view duration 1 minute 70 seconds. It's actually okay. I think this is actually okay. So I remixed my video to short, so I got 35 views from that, from the remixed and all. My like and dislike, 33 like and 0 dislike. It's fair enough. Let's go to audience. Device type mobile. Okay, mobile. People that are watching it, the age of 18 to 24, 100%. Wow. My returning viewers, wow, 65. That's actually okay. So let's just go to the revenue, what I got from this particular video. You can see it. I got 0.31 dollar, and advertiser are paying $4. YouTube is giving me 1.9 dollar per 1k views, and they paid for 159 views. I have 200 and something, so they pay for 159 views, which is 0.31 dollar. So for those of you that are thinking, oh, they will pay until you get to $1, until you get to 1,000 views. No, they don't do so. They divide your money, then they will give you what you deserve in that one. So let's go to, because some of my shorts too got any from there. Some of my shorts, let's see. And this particular short got shorts. They don't really pay much for shorts. You all know revenue for short is low. So advertiser, okay, for short, per 1k views, YouTube is giving me 0.08 cents. Why? For these 425 views, they gave me 0.03 cents. That's fair enough for shorts. Let's go to the next short. I think they paid for this one too. Yes, they paid for this one too. They paid for this one. Revenue. It's just, they gave me 0.04 cents. Why per 1k video are paying 0.08 cents? So you can see, you don't need to get 1k views to get money. The views you have, YouTube pay for it. The views you have, YouTube pay for it. And this total, everything I got from my shorts, for my short I got 0.07 cents. Why? For my normal, for my watch page 8, that means my long form video I got 0.4141 dollar. So it's fair enough. Then if they add this recent video I added and other videos, it's something, like it's something. So I now need to work on my long form video to make sure YouTube I get more views on it, because the more views you get, the more you earn. That is it. The more views you get, the more you earn. So you just have to start somewhere. So please, for you watching me, don't give up. Don't give up. I mean it. Don't give up, because one day you're going to get monetized and you're going to be earning from it. So in my next video, I'm going to be talking about how I got monetized, what I used to get monetized, and the secret is I use Restream. So in my next video, I'm going to be explaining how I use my Restream without wasting data. Yes, because a lot of A lot of videos I've seen, I've not really seen the way I did it. I've not seen it on the video. A lot of videos I've been seeing about rich man, rich room. You have to waste the data. You have to be online. Your network have to be strong. If not, your rich stream will not go well. You get. So I'm going to be explaining how I did it in my next video. So stay tuned.